Hi, I'm Priyanka Gulati and I'm a physiotherapist and I've specialized for women's health and pediatrics. I first heard Dr. Rashida speak at a talk in Hyderabad, and during one of her demonstrations she did for an elderly woman who was having knee pain at that point of time, and she did the touch for health correction for her, and within a minute or two we saw that the woman was telling us that she was feeling much better. In fact, that the pain level was much lower. As a physiotherapist, like I could then see what Dr. Rashida was doing with the Touch for Health while she was assessing the lady was that she was testing the muscle groups bilaterally, and later we understood that each energy meridian or energy flow system has a particular organ and a muscle that is attached to it. So by checking the muscle groups bilaterally, she was able to see which channel or the meridian was blocked, and she would clear that up and restore that energy flow again. And we definitely saw with a lot of people whom she demonstrated on that day that they were actually telling us that they were feeling quite better with just one sitting of Touch for Health. So that got me to be very interested in it, and I did the Touch for Health one course with her, and it was very informative. She is a great teacher. She does during the course itself we were practicing on each other for it, and I would find that the partner that I was practicing on, who was at that point of time having some knee and back issues, felt better with even me doing it on her, so that got my confidence up. Later on in my practice, I have used it with patients, and I have found that they do then later tell us that they feel much better. Pain relief is such an important aspect of physiotherapy treatment. Anybody who's having lots of pain, you really cannot progress with therapy. So I found it to be a great tool to use. Also, I would work with children. So there was a separate method that she had taught us to use for children because they may not be able to cooperate with us. So that is by using a surrogate, like their mother or anybody who's accompanying them, another adult, and clearing the energy blocks that way. I have found that it does help with children too. I use it personally also for myself and my 2 year old daughter. Anytime that I feel like I feel low, or any sort of neck back pains or anything, like if I've been having lack of sleep or just wanting to give myself that boost, I do try to do the energy cleaning for myself, like the techniques that she had taught that we could do for ourselves also. And I have also used it for my daughter, and I find that to be very helpful. In all, I think it's a great tool to have as physiotherapist, and I'd like to thank Dr. Rashida, and I'm looking forward to attending the further courses also.